anywhere, I can reframe it after.
Alright. Oh yeah. Hi.
Yeah, what's better?
Say hi, guys.
Hi guys!
Woo! Oh,
This is the Monday off group.
oh
Monday,
yeah.
Monday group.
Sunday Monday group.
Alright,
And we're going to be
okay.
famous. Where are we heading for now?
Well, I don't mind, wherever.
I don't mind.
This chair.
Do you want to go change skis? You shut up.
Should we change skis? Pro room?
They want to change skis?
I'm happy to do cliff with Caro, but I want to change my skis.
Oh
Yeah?
Yeah?
Pro room!
yeah. I have no opinion.
I want pro room
anything.
to
I'm
change.
just here.
I want my vents on. Oh. Where am I? Oh. I need to hold my. I need to hold my pole up. It's too long. Otherwise.
You're just looking mighty vulnerable there.
That's nice.
I think we're going to change our skis onto something a bit more fun.
Go. Go on, lads.
What?
Lads! Scotland forever. Nice. Who wants it?
Yeah. How did you?
Hey guys,
Hold it.
my vlog.
Hold it and I'll see you after.
I'm like, don't look at the camera.
We're being candid.
After a while, yeah.
candid.
You get it on short mode if you get locked up.
We're going to say so let's subscribe
I have it fully extended. If I do like a competition, by the time I get to the bottom, my arm in.
Oh, look at
Hey, look,
Fluffy
hello.
You kill the bear with his bare hands.
Wait. What was that?
I said you kill the bear with his bare hands.
Oh no, that's bad.
Sorry, we're hopping to the pro room to change into our fun skis, and then we're more than happy to cliff and powder to our hut.
Yeah.
Oh, powder would be nice.
Powder first as a
Yeah.
warm up.
Yeah.
And then cliff and then lunch so that, you know, we burn ourselves out. And then...
Oh, lunch sounds like great.
Can we do a bit of synchro down here?
Oh, please.
Breathing in and out, one behind the other.
I've been
Yeah.
pretty excited about
I'll go
that
at the
one.
back and then I should be able to get some good.
Weed.
That works.
Can I get
Yeah,
some?
we.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta do opposite that.
Opposite
Yeah.
way of the person in front of
Usually
you.
I'm just mirroring her.
You can have fun, we'll watch.
Alright.
Ames and Harry, a bit synchro.
Short turns.
Yeah.
Opposite, opposite way to the person in front.
They have to be short.
Yeah. They'll be mine are. Ready?
All together, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, we're all going together.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. I'll follow behind Kate.
I don't think I can get that cliff to my instructor jacket.
Do it all the time, just by accident.
You'll be heavily judged by the snowboarders when you're breaking that 10.
Here you go.
Can you get some paddles? Like in Strictly?
Green screen.
7! Ooh, very short turn. Kind of.
Okay, so we're going to go for a route centre. Okay, that's it. So we need a conversation for chairlift chat
What's you do? About Australia Day?
about whatever you want. It can be anything you want. Just pick a topic.
Okay.
What do you like? What do you do outside of skiing? What's your favourite thing?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh,
Just
okay,
don't think
cool.
I do much outside of
Or your favourite TV series?
Oh,
Would
you
you
know what?
rather?
I can snowboard on the road.
You can snowboard on the road?
Yeah.
Wait, how?
It's like a skateboard.
No, it's more like the snowboard, but with wheels.
Oh, I've seen those. Yeah, they look cool.
Yeah,
What,
I
like
can
actually-
teach you how
It's
to do it.
it's like a it's a skateboard, but the
With
two wheels
6
at the
wheels,
front and the
yeah.
back they spin round.
Yeah.
So it's the same movements as
In
snowboarding.
the
that's
middle.
sick.
these bits.
Yeah, that looks sick. I'd like to
I
try
can
that.
teach you how.
That would be cool.
Is
I have
it-
one in my room. I can
So where we go here though with it?
Sorry?
Where do we do it here?
No,
Where?
not in the winter, but I
Yeah,
had to
in the
bring
summer.
it to do
Okay.
it in Canada.
Okay, yeah, that's cool.
Cool. It's not a, is it a ripstick or like it's like a kind of board, but it.
No, it's really stiff.
What's that called? It's
Oh, I know the
used to
squeegee
ride
board
it as
thing.
a kid,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it was like there's 2 wheels on either side, but it's split in the middle,
Oh yeah,
and you have to like
Pedal it to get
that,
it together.
yeah,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
and it's so hard.
Yeah, I don't know the name of it.
I can't remember what it's called now, but
And it's
I
not
used to
that
love that.
hard.
I think
You
it's
do-
hard.
You do this. Oh yeah, you know.
yeah.
Okay, what about this? What is your main goal for the season? So at the end of the season, say we're on the chairlift again and it's now like
Oh.
April.
Yeah.
You want to say, hey, I would like to have done what?
I want to spend 1 month without crying.
Oh my god!
Okay.
That's not saying it out.
I mean, that's cool. We've done about 3 hours so far, so that's pretty good. I would suggest maybe not taking Dane's criticism personally would help with the crying aspect maybe. And what about yourself?
I'd like to get my level 2. So like if I will watch this back and be like, oh shit, yeah, I did actually get my level 2.
Cool,
That's
level 2.
awesome. So yeah, because I did a bit of instructing at home, but on dry slope.
Same here.
And like I really miss teaching adults
Yeah.
because it's quite nice to like get a bit more technical with them. Whereas kids, like, it's great fun, don't get me wrong, but like trying to make them learn when they don't realise they're learning is like a lot of creativity involved
Yeah.
in that. And sometimes I'd like to just be able to be like, okay, now do this and that and the other, and then adults go, oh yeah, like it makes sense. So,
Yeah, sweet.
yeah,
Okay, well we'll do another one. Like I'm sure we'll have days off like towards March and April,
yeah,
and then we'll review,
yeah.
and then hopefully you'll be sitting
See?
here like, I done my level 2. Woo!
And you're gonna be like, I spent the whole month not crying.
And you're like, I got 2 more days left. Nobody upset.
Oh no, the Canadian one. Yeah. So I want to do it while I'm here. The only reason I've got. Is it?
You can do it today.
Back.